Right, so I'm sure some of you guys were disappointed by the lack of AirPods 3 at the September event, but we do have a new leak suggesting a press release could be happening very soon for AirPods 3. So let's delve into the report, but first make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. And with that being said, let's just tuck in. Right, so I know leaks regarding AirPods 3 have been all over the place this year because you might remember there were leaks about a May release, that did not happen. Then there were leaks about a WWDC release, that also did not happen. And of course a release at the September event, which also did not happen. And so yes, I would suggest taking all these AirPods 3 leaks with a massive grain of salt. But anyways, delving into the leak, it's coming from iHack2 Pro, and he says, we could see a press release on the 28th of September that could be the release date for these new AirPods. Now yes, I know that I don't cover iHack2 Pro very often on this channel, but I do want to say that this source was the only person that said we would see a lighter blue for the Pros. In fact, I remember reading that and thinking that was completely bogus. But of course, the leaks about the bronze iPhones were completely wrong and iHack2 Pro was right, and so yes, he's somewhat credible with his leaks. Now I know the first question that might come to your mind is, if we're seeing AirPods 3 released this month, why not launch them at the September event? What's the point of having a separate press release? Well guys, I'll be completely honest, I think the main reason is the fact Apple does not enjoy releasing AirPods on stage, because look at the history of AirPods releases. Apart from the OG one, every other AirPods release has been via press release, and so one can expect AirPods 3 to follow suit. Maybe it's a lucky charm to release them via press releases, I have no idea, but if Apple was willing to break this cycle, then they would have launched AirPods 3 at the September event, but the fact they didn't means they're pretty comfortable with the press releases. But another reason why I'm inclined to believe this leak might be right is that a Chinese retailer did give us release dates for the iPhone and AirPods 3, and you might remember in that leak, iPhones were supposed to launch on the 24th, and AirPods were supposed to launch on the 30th, which of course lines up perfectly with this leak. Since you might remember with the AirPods Pro release date, we saw the press release on October 28th, but the product then launched on the 30th, and so we could see a repeat of that with these new AirPods. And again, that would make sense because we know production is at full swing, shipments are going out, millions of AirPods are in their boxes, ready to go, and so yes, I do think the release is gonna be very soon. Also, do remember there's gonna be a gap between the end of the September event hype and the beginning of the October event hype, and so AirPods 3 could perfectly fill that void, and Apple's basically gonna have all the press and media attention for the next few weeks, like they did last year with their 3 events. And so yes, fingers crossed, we do see them very soon, because they're slowly becoming the next AirTag, since the rumors have been saying forever now that they're gonna release soon. Anyways, tell me in the comments below, what's your thoughts on this leak? Anyways, thank you for watching guys, make sure to like and subscribe for the latest Apple news and rumors. Check out the video in the icon above on details regarding AirPods Pro 2, and on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. See ya peeps!